Hi there, my name is Lauren Renzetti. I'm a visual artist and a printmaker. Today what we're going to be looking at is monoprinting. Specifically, in this first part, we're going to be looking at drawing with Breyers. So using small rolling tools, ink that's water-soluble ink, and we're going to be making different sorts of visual images using stencils and using just drawing right with the actual tools onto paper. I'm going to suggest you use a fairly large piece of paper because the tools are a little bit clumsy and cumbersome. So you'll need paper, Breyers, and ink, and let's get started. We're going to move into the possibilities of using stencils. So I've created one here that has using a stencil for the bottles and using a stencil actually for the pears. And so it's just a question of cutting out shapes and creating a stencil sheet, right? Now the problem is if you use a lot of times with a lot of colors underneath and it's very thick, it'll start to transfer that pattern on top. So you have to be a bit careful. Try it yourself using stencils or using Breyers and just drawing to create some interesting objects using big paper, water-soluble ink, and the handy Breyer. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you again soon.